My name is Emma Craig, and I'm the Regional Librarian for St. John's, part of Newfoundland and Labrador Public Libraries. In this video today, I'd like to talk a little bit about our memory care kits. Memory care kits are designed for those with Alzheimer's or other forms of dementia and their care partners. The aims of these kits is to stimulate the mind and encourage conversation and positive, engaging interactions between the person with dementia and their care partner. At the moment, we have kits available in Corner Brook and St. John's. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about dementia, what you can find in your memory care kit, how to use them, and how to take one out from one of our libraries. Before we talk about the kits themselves, it's important for us to talk a little bit about dementia. For example, dementia is not an actual disease, rather a series of symptoms that someone can experience. Alzheimer's is a disease that happens to have symptoms like dementia. Dementia is much more than our common misconceptions about it. It's not just memory loss. Individuals can have difficulties with thinking, problem solving, and language, and may experience vast changes in behavior. It is important for us to reduce the stigma surrounding dementia by learning these facts and not making assumptions about the person. We need to let the individual know that they are not alone when they're dealing with this. In Canada, there's about 1.1 million people who are affected by dementia. The reason I say affected is because dementia affects much more than just the individual with the condition or the symptoms of it. It also affects their families and the caretakers who take care of them. In Newfoundland and Labrador, there are about 9,800 active cases. Each memory care kit has been specifically curated with activities and materials to encourage brain activity as well as reminiscing. Each kit has a specific theme, and items vary between the kits. The one I'll be showing you today is the Newfoundland and Labrador themed memory care kit from the A.C. Hunter Library. Why don't we open this up and take a look inside? So here's an example of what you may find inside many of our memory care kits. The Newfoundland and Labrador themed kit includes a book of short stories, 2 books featuring images of Newfoundland and Labrador, a music CD that you may want to listen to while going through the stuff in the kit, some activities that we'll go into detail about in a minute, as well as conversation starter cards and a booklet full of helpful tips. The activities vary per memory care kit. For example, the Newfoundland and Labrador themed kit has a puzzle, about 24 pieces, jumbo playing cards, and a word search. The activities we provide in our kits focus on patterns and object matching. Each activity should be approached as having no right or wrong way of doing it, and you are encouraged to adapt the activity to suit the participant. For example, if the individual is not comfortable with playing card games, you may want to use the jumbo playing cards to do some item matching instead. Conversation starter cards are available in each kit to encourage communication and reminiscing. Older memories are often the strongest ones that people with dementia have. On these cards, all of the questions are open-ended and encourage the person to talk about past experiences. For example, on the card shown, we have questions like, what were your favorite things to do with friends growing up? Did you have a babysitter? What was your first job? You can use these cards at any point while exploring your memory care kit, say while you're flipping through one of the books or completing one of the activities. The lending period for the memory care kits is about 3 weeks. You can request any one of our kits by doing any of the following. You can order through our online catalog. You can call one of the libraries. A.C. Hunter can be reached at 709-737-2133, or the Corner Brook Library can be reached at 709-634-0013. You can email either of the libraries at achunter@nlpl.ca or the Corner Brook Library at cornerbrook@nlpl.ca. You can search for the memory care kits in the online catalog by typing the name in the search bar. Make sure your search setting is set to title-browse. From there, you will see the different themed kits listed. You can request any of the memory care kits by logging into your library account and then clicking the Request First Available Copy button. I hope you found this video on our memory care kits informative and that you are now looking forward to checking one out from our libraries. If you have an idea for more themed memory care kits or just want to provide feedback on the project, you can email me at ecraig@nlpl.ca. I would love to hear about how you are finding the kits and how they are helping your loved one.